Hello you guys. So today I got my Lush Mother's Day haul, and so now I'm going to unbox this haul and show you the pretty things for Mother's Day that Lush has made. So here's my box and I'll tell you one of the reasons why it's so big. This is kind of funny. So when I placed my order for the Mother's Day things, usually I buy 1 to 2 bath bombs each, or 1 to 2 bubble bars each. And usually how I do that is I go to like where the bubble bars are and I just click on them to put it in my cart. And it always just puts 1 in my cart. And then I go to my cart after I'm all done with everything that I want to buy. I go to my cart and I increase the numbers to 2. Well, I guess on one of these bath bombs, I forgot to click on it and change it to 2, or I messed it up somehow because it had 1, 2. So I ordered 12 of these 12 of this one bath bomb when I didn't want 12 of this one bath bomb. So I emailed them right away and called them. I couldn't get an answer when I called them, and the voicemail said that they were out of the office. So I emailed their customer care. Usually their customer care gets back to me the next day, but I guess because of COVID, they haven't gotten back to me. So so they couldn't change my order. So I got 12 of one kind of bath bomb and then 1 or 2 of the others. So now I'll show you what is in the box. It looks like they gave me some bags for the bath bombs. I bet I know why. I bet there's 12 of these, because I bet they said, I bet she's going to give these 12 as presents to other moms for Mother's Day. So let's go ahead and give her a bag for each one, because, no one in their right mind would be ordering 12 just for themselves. So here it is. It's the Pearl Bath Bomb for Mother's Day 2021, and it's white and it has this pearlescent sheen on the top half of the bath bomb. And of course, here's another Pearl Bath Bomb. And another. My husband and my daughter just laughed at me like, you did what? So my daughter's like, well, give me some since you have so many. I'm like, yes. Naturally, I had to buy a Mamma Mia body scrub because, as you guys know, I've done video after video saying that this is my favorite body scrub ever. Lush has made, I would say, maybe like 10 different body scrubs, maybe a little less than that, different ones, and I've liked them all of them, but this smells so good. It says pink grapefruit, vanilla, and rosewood. And oh my God, the scent of this, all I smell is pink grapefruit and vanilla, and it's so, so good. I just want to eat it. And Lush has made a solid one a year or 2 ago, solid Mamma Mia as well, and I've reviewed that too. So I've already done a review video of this here on my YouTube channel, and I've written about it, taken photos of it for my Lush blog. So I won't do another one, but basically it's got fine sea salt for the exfoliator. So you take a shower and rinse off, and while your skin is still wet, you get a little scoop of this and you rub it all over your skin wherever you want soft, smooth skin, wherever you're dry or flaky or have bumps on your arms or wherever. You just exfoliate with this and then rinse it off, and then your skin is smooth and moisturized and it smells yummy. So that's Mamma Mia body scrub. Okay. I got an extra Heartbeat bath bomb, Valentine's Day bath bomb. I got an extra one because they're so pretty. It has the Rose Jam Rose Argan scent. I've already reviewed this and I have a demo video here on my YouTube channel. Oh, this is so pretty. This is a bubble bar for Mother's Day and it's called Jasmine Cream. Jasmine Cream. This one looks just like a jasmine flower. This one is made with icing sugar, rice starch, benzoin, tapioca pearl, corn syrup, and jasmine. It's not a reusable style of bubble bar. It's the regular squishy type of Lush bubble bar. This is a pretty jasmine. I was afraid to order these because I like jasmine, but it has to be right. There are a lot of Lush jasmine things that I just hate, but the ones that I do like, I adore them. So I'm so glad that this, it doesn't smell to me like Godiva or Lust or the other Lush jasmine scented things. To me, this is a light and airy kind of jasmine scent. Absolutely gorgeous. And I don't know if you can tell, I'll turn the camera around if you can't, but it's got sparkles in it. It's got sparkles all through the bar, but that's going to be gorgeous. And here's another one, because I ordered two. So pretty. And I ordered another Love Me Do bath bomb, Valentine's bath bomb, because I love the color of the water. It's awesome. Okay. Another pearl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, wow, this one's so pretty. This one is called Rose Gold Bath Bomb. Rose Gold, wow. And this is made with benzoin, orris root powder, and sodium alginate. So benzoin and orris root powder. Now, orris root powder is what is in the Tisty Tosty bath bomb for Valentine's this year. If you guys have smelled the Tisty Tosty bath bomb, there's rose oil and orris root powder in that. So this has a very light floral scent, and that orris root powder is just, it's hard to explain. It's lovely and floral and bright and very soft and pretty. So that's Rose Gold. I hope I got two of those. Did I remember to get two of them? Oh, good. Yes. I remembered to get two of them. Okay, cool. So another pearl and another pearl. got an additional Keep It Fluffy bubble bottle because I already used the one that I had. Oh, and here is the Violet Cream bubble bar for Mother's Day. Oh, look how pretty it is. Violet Cream. So it's got this purple violet color with this sort of greenish blue glitter on it. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. So for those of you that like violets and like the scent of sweet violets, you're gonna love this because that's what this smells like. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. This has Pakistani rose absolute in it, Kananga oil, tapioca pearl, corn syrup, and icing sugar. It looks just like a violet flower. Ooh. Wow, so pretty. So pretty. And another one because I got two. Violet Cream, and then we have Jasmine Cream as well. And then we have this one, which is called Hart Mother. Atom, like a ATOM, Hart Mother. This is an apple scented bath bomb. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's talk, shall we? So Lush has made So White bath bomb and Matryoshka doll and So White shower gel and snow apple soap for Christmas and all of those things. And you know how Once Upon a Time body lotion for Christmas smells? It has that appley scent, which is kind of like So White, but it has something else in it, that lotion. This smells even more like apple than anything I just mentioned, the So White products or the Once Upon a Time body lotion. Oh my God, you guys. It's just like so appley, so flippin' appley. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous, and I love the white clouds. I love anything that has cloud shapes on them, like the cloud-shaped Sleepy soap and the cloud-shaped Sleepy bubble bar. They made one time for spring April showers, and it was a cloud-shaped bath bomb, named after me, which was really cool. Wow, this is crazy, and I so hope that I got two of these. Please God. Oh, thank God. Yes, I got two of these. So it looks like the sky, blue sky with white clouds and that apple scent. You guys are gonna go bananas with this apple scent. Go bananas with the apple scent. That's pretty funny. So that is my Lush Mother's Day 2021 Lush haul. And wow. I would say the prettiest scent, in my opinion, of all of these new products. First of all, there isn't anything here that I don't like or that I even find meh. Everything here I love the scent of. So that's good. And that said, I think that Pearl is my favorite scent of product scent in the Mother's Day range this year. It's so good. It's like cake icing. It smells so good. So good. So yeah, so now let me arrange them and on the table. I'm going to arrange them on a table and take a little video for the end of this video for you. I'll be doing tub demo videos of all of these new bath bombs and bubble bars and uploading them to my YouTube channel here and putting them in my Lush blog and of course on Instagram as well. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye bye.